Hi guys, Larry Smith, 3-gun dude. I'm out here at Small Groups Rifle Range. I haven't shot in like months. My schedule just been too tight right now, but just got a little bit of time this afternoon, so I'm going to shoot. I got the new SSP Eyewear bronze lenses with the top focal here in them. I've never used these before, so I'm going to give them a try. It's a little cloudy today, but I can still see really nice with these, but it takes the glare out. So these are really, seem to be really nice. So this is the SSP bronze top focal lens. These are interchangeable, great products. I'm shooting my Angel Fire ammo in my P-Mag here, the Glock Magpul. These are great. Glock 17, Talon grips on them. CMC triggers, CMC barrel, J-point red dot. Just gonna be having a little fun, so let's get to shooting. Just starting out slow. Getting a little warmed up, so let's just reload and just keep shooting. These Magpul mags for Glock are great, guys.